सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Dear children, welcome to you online lectures of Sudhagad Education Society. This is our second lecture of an epitome of courage. You know that about the Dr. Hawkins. He said that, and we have learned that what is the strange truth. The people who are very good, who are not handicapped but neglected to do the work. Here, last period we learned that about the Dr. Hawkins. From the childhood, he was a very normal child of his teen age. But when he was in college, he faced some disease. When he went to his doctor and his doctor diagnosed he said that he have the ALS, LOU disease, a very, very bad. So after then, what happened the next? How much times he had left on this planet? The very uncertain, and prognosis was bad to the doctors. They said that they could not do so much. When he was facing, when the doctor diagnosing him, the doctor said that they could not do. Undaunted, Stephen decided to continue his research. But then, Dr. Stephen Hawking did not afraid about that disease. He said that I will do my job, and he decided to the research and got engaged to the Jane Wild, means he got married. Hawking says that life events of Dr. Hawking, clumsy, average teenage. His father wanted him to study medicine, but then when he went to the University of Oxford, there was not the subject of mathematics. So then, Dr. Stephen Hawking opted for the physics for available course, and at the age of 17, he got diagnosed with ALS. What means ALS? ALS or LOU, Gehrig's disease. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis means ASS, a type of motor neuron disease. Stephen Hawking was diagnosed in his early 20s. He defined predictions. He would only live a few years, but was wheelchair and bound a spoke through the computerized voice systems. ALS is a rare neurological conditions. Progressive worsen with time, with no cure. Gradually, muscles under voluntary control are affected. Individuals lose strength, ability to speak, to eat, to move, and to breathe. So, most people with ALS die of respiratory failure with 3 to 5 years first symptoms. But Dr. Stephen Hawking, because of his courage, so we can say that he is a very fine example of courage. And because of courage, because of his willpower, he was not died in 3 to 5 years, but he do his job. He searched about the black holes. What are the effects of the nervous systems? Affects nervous cells responsible for controlling voluntary muscles movements. Motor nervous, link between brain and voluntary muscles. In ALS, the proper motor neurons and lower motor neurons degenerate and die, unable to function, the muscles degenerates. So, how did Dr. Stephen Hawking react his physical situations? Suppose, think that if someone have the disease about that, ALS, either LOU, what is his thinking power? So how did Dr. Stephen Hawking reacted his physical situations? When doctor said he could not do so much, still Dr. Hawking decided to continue his research and even got engaged with a Jane. He worked every day like it was his last moment. He thinks that today I am alive. Nobody knows that how many years, how many hours I will be alive. So he thinks that this is my last moment, and so he worked very hardly. He enjoyed his life to the fullest. He never thought about the thing he could not do, but did what he can. So he said that however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up. Means he said that माणूस आयुष्यामध्ये काहीतरी करू शकतो, फक्त आपण घेतलेलं काम सोडून देऊ नये. Achievements of Dr. Stephen Hawking. First one, about the life. What did he think about his life? When doctors said he could live only 3 years with ALS, but he fought and lived 55 years. Thinks that tremendous, very surprisingly. When doctors said that he will be alive only the 3 years, but he fought and lived 55 years. जेव्हा डॉक्टरांनी सांगितलं की तुम्ही फक्त 3 वर्ष वाचू शकता, त्यावेळेला या माणसाने आयुष्याची 55 वर्ष काढली आणि त्या आजाराशी लढत आणि त्यांनी काम केलं. हॉकिंग्स रेडिएशन्स, म्हणजे त्यांची स्पंदनाच्या बाबतीत काय होती. ही सेड दॅट ब्लॅक होल्स डज नॉट ट्रॅप्स एव्हरीथिंग बट एमिट्स रेडिएशन्स अँड पार्टिकल्स. म्हणजेच कृष्णविवर जे आहे ते सगळ्याच गोष्टी गिळंकृत करत नाहीत, तर फक्त काही पार्टिकल्स जे आहेत त्यांना ते आपल्या आतमध्ये घेतात. क्रिएशन ऑफ युनिवर्स, काय निर्मिती केली त्यांनी. ही सेड दॅट युनिवर्स वॉज क्रिएटेड ड्यू अँड explosions of singularly trapped in a small space and no one was involved in process. Next one, an international bestseller. Means when he write the books like Harry Potter, so his books also sold as a hot dogs, garma garam vada pav. Like his books A Brief History of Time was translated in 40 languages and over 10 million copies were sold. मी त्यांनी लिहिलेलं हिज बुक ऑफ ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ टाईम हे पुस्तक जवळजवळ 40 भाषांमध्ये ट्रान्सलेट करण्यात आलं आणि त्याच्या 10 मिलियन कॉपीज या विकल्या गेल्या. नेक्स्ट वन, सिंग्युलॅरिटी. He proposed that birth of universe is from a single small seed containing amount of energy. Means how the universe born. एका छोट्या निर्मितीपासून की ज्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर शक्ती आहे अशा गोष्टीतून. मेकॅनिक्स ऑफ ब्लॅक होल्स. He postulated 4 laws about the mass, charge, entropy and surface area of black holes. 4 गोष्टींवर आधारित. Cosmic inflation. It refers to an explosive process and then spread and galaxies and expansion of universe. Time theory. He said that there was no time before birth of universe from explosions. म्हणजे युनिवर्सची निर्मिती, विश्वाची निर्मिती ही कधी झाली, नोबडी नोज अबाउट दॅट. अँड कशी झाली, एक्सप्लोजन, स्फोटातून झाली असं म्हटलं जातं. नेक्स्ट, 6th one, top down cosmology. You know cosmology, what is the meaning of cosmology? The study of universe about the black holes. It states there is not one but many reasons behind the initiative process of universe formation. Zero G flight. In spite of opposite physical condition, Dr. Hawking took a flight with zero gravity and took experience of space life. Means zero gravity flight means he was on the earth, but he flight into the space. How is it possible? Because we know that Stephen Hawking was a totally physically damaged, but Dr. Stephen Hawking took a flight with zero gravity. म्हणजे तरीसुद्धा त्यांनी अवकाशामध्ये उड्डाण केलं आणि स्पेसच्या बाबतीमध्ये म्हणजे अंतराळामध्ये ही एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ द स्पेस फ्रॉम हिज लिव्हिंग रूम. नेक्स्ट नको हे नको. So Dr. Stephen Hawking, who was searching, he became doing a PhD. By this time he was confined a wheelchair, was rapidly losing control of his hands and a speech, means he could not possible to speak, he could not possible to write, spark his imagination with the bright ideas. He made many epoch-making statements that shook established theories. True, confined to a wheelchair with no control over his body, means though his body was not controlling, his body was not working, but his fingers were saved, and with a computer help with the expression of his thought, means when he was express something and he was doing the movement of his figure, Dr. Stephen Hawking, an authority to profound subjects of science, numerous harmony, doctorates and awards have been bestowed on him, means he was awarded. He is a fellow of the Royal Society and member of US National Academy of Science. Think that a person who was not able to write, who was not able to speak, who was not able to walk, who was not able to do anything, but he become the member of US National Academy of Science in spite of being considered Einstein's equal in intelligence. Einstein's equal means Dr. Stephen Hawking was equal to the Einstein about his brain. Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. Dr. Stephen Hawking was a very humble man. This is a sentence for explanation. How can you explain for the exclamatory? What a humble man Dr. Stephen Hawking was. A very simple. These are the qualities of Stephen Hawking. Suppose there is a question, what are the qualities of Stephen Hawking? So we can write that for the 2 marks question, a simple, he is a very humble man, down to earth man. He was author many books, means he wrote many books using the computer, using that one. His style is so lucid that non-scientists can also understand him. Means his language was not difficult. Anybody can, who is not a scientist, who did not study the science, he can also understand. So his language of the books is very simple. So his style is so lucid. Lucid means simple. So anybody can understand. A Brief History of Time is one of the best-selling books of our time. On being asked how he feels about having dreadful ALS, means think that when someone asks him how do you feel because of that disease ALS, then Dr. Stephen Hawking question says of optimist, means perfect example, a fine example of the epitome of courage. He said that I try and lead as a normal life as possible. Though he was bounded, though he was binding with the wheelchair, but he said that I am doing my job as a normal person. And I want to live a normal life as possible as I can and not think about any condition of regret, the thing it prevents me from doing which are not meaning. Dr. Stephen Hawking firmly believed that in the next millenniums, science will discover consent secrets of the universe of origin. Means he was doing a lot of job. He find out about the concept of the black holes. Last period I have told you about you what means the black holes. Black holes that and a star as this, it can be means which can attract the each and everything and destroy the everything. So it origins his history. Like Dr. Hawking, there are many people who display exemplary courage in their life. So like Dr. Stephen Hawking, there are so many peoples who doing a great job. They are the great example of the epitome of courage. So what we learn, what can we understand from this lesson? We, and especially children's you, whenever you demolish your courage, whenever you lose your courage, you can't do anything in your life. Because last period, we learned that what is the strange truth. There are so many people who did not participate in any activity, though they are very good, they are very fine. Suppose there is a fire of house and some people are trapped into that fire. Though you are the ability to save them, but people say that no, I am afraid about that. Some children did not participate in the sports also again, though they are very physically fit. So this is the great example. Think that what Dr. Stephen Hawking's condition and what is the condition of us. Why not we do anything in our life? If we have the courage, if we have the strong willpower, if we have the desire, we can do anything. We can achieve anything in our life. माणसाकडे जर धैर्य, इच्छाशक्ती, स्ट्रॉंग विल पॉवर जर असेल तर माणूस आयुष्यामध्ये काहीही करू शकतो. सो चिल्ड्रन्स, बी inspired. Take the inspiration of that Stephen Hawking and let salute to those people who are brave people who, in spite of being disabled, strive to do in their best. There are so many people, we have to inspire them. We have to take the inspiration from them. We have to salute to the people. Think about the soldier on the boundary. They fought for the nation. They're doing everything. That time we are enjoying in our house. We can take the full enjoyment of our life. So salute to that soldiers who cut their hands and feet, but they fought for bravely. Now we know that there are so many soldiers. They have nothing to eat. They have nothing to protect from themselves, but they do a lot of work for the nation. Why? Because they are totally enchanted by the love of the nation. So children, you can do anything in your life if you are fascinated, if you are enchanted in your life of someone. Think, do this, achieve any goal. If you want to achieve any goal, you need a courage, you need a desire, you need a strong willpower. Now children, there are some questions. Think that this question should be asked in the question number 2, A, either B. So there are the 5 types questions: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. In A1, there are asked a simple factual activity. Complete the following statements with the help of the information from the passage. Dr. Stephen Hawking was born on. When he was born on the 8th January in 1942. Courage is the quality which makes people. Next. Not lose heart when faced with a great calamity. Stephen Hawking was a living legend of cosmology, study of origin and development of universe. Stephen Hawking was sent to, means for the study, where he was sent in a University of Oxford in America to study mathematics. A2 type question, complex factor, you have to write in a 3 to 4 sentences. The question is, what do you know about Stephen Hawking from this passage? See that, this is the answer. Dr. Stephen Hawking was born in Oxford on 8th January in 1942. Nobody would have imagined that a little boy would be one of the greatest scientists of era means this century. He faced a great calamity, but with a great courage, he became a legend of cosmology. His body was bound to the wheelchair and working with only fascinational part of his body, that is his mind and fingers. He discovered many things because of that, using 2 parts of the body. This is the A3 question, activity based on vocabulary. Question is, classify following words into the verbs, adjective and noun. Here is a list of the words. So you have to qualify them. You have to classify them, which is the noun, which is the adjective and which is the verb. The words are whole, no, little, predict, calamity, legend, mind, physics, great, imagine, wonderful, cruel, courage, face, grave, heart, fate and cause. What is the answer? See that. Verb. Which are the verbs here? Know is the verb. Predict, imagine, face and new. These are the verbs. What are the adjectives? A little, wonderful, cruel, whole and great. These are the adjectives. What are the nouns? Calamity, legend, mind, physics, courage, heart, fate and course. These are the nouns. Activity 4. A4. Activity based on grammar. These are the grammar sentence for you. And here are the 4 sentences for exclamatory. But in question paper you have to ask only one. A1. A. Courage is truly a wonderful thing. What is the answer? When we do the exclamatory sentence, we have to begin the sentence with how, either or what. When before the very there is a, either an article, we have to start the sentence with what. What a wonderful thing courage is. Second one, B. Dr. Hawking is a very humble man. What a humble man Dr. Stephen Hawking is. He was a very clumsy. How clumsy he was. And the last one, he was very simple and intelligent. How intelligent and simple he was. This sentence should be asked you for the not only but also and as well as also. How is it possible? He was not only simple but also intelligent. Either he was simple as well as intelligent. In second sentence, you have to change the following sentence into the positive at the comparative degree. The question is, Dr. Hawking is one of the greatest scientists of this century. When in the sentence one of the is given, you have to begin the sentence with no other, either a very few. So, a very few scientists of this century are as great as Dr. Stephen Hawking. And what is the comparative? Dr. Stephen Hawking is greater than most other scientists of this century. This is the last question. A5. Do you think that courage is a wonderful thing? Question marks. Why do you think so? Means, what is your opinion about that? What do you think about the courage? Are you sure that courage is a wonderful thing? If yes, how? And if not, so then why not? According to the writer, he said that yes, I agree that courage is a wonderful thing. Why? Because I do think courage is a wonderful thing because it can work as a miracle in one's life. A person with a great courage stimulates an ordinary or even a disabled person to achieve the impossible. I know a small who rescued his young sisters a tigress attack. We know that the great examples, the children who awarded on a Republic Day by the President of India. Why? Because of their great work. And how they can do? They do because of the courage. I think so. Last syllabus you have learned that the study in 2005 when there was a flood. In our ONGC colony, there was a child, Parth Sutaria, who saved their neighbor's life. And a girl in a Mankur who saved the 14 children's life and they were awarded. Either we know the story, a girl who saved her mother's life from the thieves, like that one. So children's, like that one, questions should be asked you into the passage. In question number 2, A either B. So this was our lesson, an epitome of courage. Second part we have today completed. Thank you for watching this one.